Early on in my career, an older lawyer asked me, what did I want to do? And my answer was very simple: help other people. I see that as my calling, and I see that as the blessing of this line of work.
I was born in Colombia. My family applied to come to the United States when I was around 7 years old. When I was 13 years old, we finally got the package to move to the United States. I was able to learn enough English, graduated Florida State University, and then I went to law school. It literally is the American dream.
Probably the most difficult situation our clients find themselves in is where they have something inaccurate or wrong on either their credit report or a background check. Because this will prohibit our client from being able to obtain credit, to obtain a credit card, an auto loan, even a home mortgage, or in other instances, will not be able to get rental housing or even apply for a job.
No one thinks this is going to affect them until it does. The system is built to believe the furnishers, the debt collector, but it doesn't take into account the individual. They don't believe the individual. Your credit report and your background is your reputation.
And if your credit is wrong, you cannot achieve the American dream.
I was trying to get a 2-bedroom apartment, and there was something wrong with my background of me having the same name as my father. A lot of stress was going on, and I was very emotional. I didn't know what to do. I tried to go through the necessary steps. My biggest fear was just being homeless with my kids and my wife.
Several years ago, I was being collected on the debt that I owe. They were actually collecting on me with illegal practices. People would show up at my house. They were constantly calling me, and they also started saying, we're gonna go to your job and collect on you too at work. I'm a single dad. My son's autistic. He would overhear me on the phone talking to people screaming at me on the phone with bad language, and I really needed help.
Laws are written very favorably to corporations and not to individuals. This can literally ruin your life when you don't have the ability to obtain the things that you want and need, not just for yourself, but for your children. Tav and I have over 25 years combined experience, and we file more of these lawsuits than anyone in the country in federal court. We fight to get our clients the absolute best possible outcome.
The consumer lawyers literally did everything for me. I didn't have to really lift a finger. Overall, in general, it made me feel stress-free. They kept me up to date with my case, never left me in the dark.
When I first spoke to Octavio, I call him Tav. Immediately, he lowered the whole pressure of the call. He understood what was going on with the case, and it was a situation that I didn't want my son to see. He calmed me down, says, I got it from here, don't worry. I actually got a good night's sleep that first night.
As a human, we have these instincts, and family and protecting your family and providing for your family means everything. We get to really restore people's lives because they come to us at a time of need. Getting that problem, getting that inaccuracy fixed is just so rewarding. I'm so glad that I'm an attorney.
In this practice area, if we want to work together on a case, I'm going to go pursue your goal, and if we're successful, not only will your problem be solved, but the other side will pay my fees and you will pay nothing out of pocket. If there's something wrong on your background check or your credit report, call the consumer lawyers.
Call us. This is what we do. We can help you defend your reputation.